Be trying to spread knowledge, but they don't listen. Instead they'll see murder like no limit. Oh shit, it's so different when I flow vicious. Flow colder than the winter winds when it blows, isn't it? Oh bros tripping, nah. I covered all my bases, I'm just scoping them out. They said they wanted hits, I'm sure hell tiny now. My name holds weight around town. They show hating if they say spades don't hold the crown. Greatness motivating all these movements that I'm making, emasculating these dudes that be playing with all this paper. I've been taking what I'm gaining, blazing. I think I'm volcanic, laying wasting my weight to creation is breathtaking. Damn, I need to chill. Been running shit so long, I should trade my track and field. They feeling me like bread, weight of my words, they can't be scaled. But the potency of what I wrote still backed up for the sale.